these got modded. These didn't used to have innovation. I came here a few years ago. It had like Adams or something. Come on. I love these lanterns. These custom lanterns are awesome. And look, here's the service car. That right there. There's your service. Anyway. Look at the lanterns. They actually have the address on them. Good shot of that. That's cool. There's the mail chute. I think these are the original doors. I would say they are. Let's see. Is this one like painted shut? No, it's not. Oh, here it is. Sad they put LEDs in there. It would have looked so much better with the old incandescent lights. Hold on. I don't know what that is. There's definitely some old original bits to these elevators for sure. Love the sound of the generator, the DC power. These go 700 feet per minute. Here's your panel. Innovation. Here's the cab. Yeah, I came in here in like 2017, I think, and these had Adams fixtures. I'm like pretty sure. I don't think these were innovation. Yeah, back in that day, everything had Adams.